There we go, guys. Oh man, that's a good brook too. Guys, my first fish. Last 3 times I've come to Virginia and fished crooked, my first fish was a brook. This is no exception. This is really, really good brook trout, guys. There we go, guys. That's an awesome brook. That's one of the biggest brooks I've ever caught. There we go, guys. Got another one. What we got this time? Oh man, guys, we got a brownie. Full brown. But there we go, guys. There we go, guys. Oh, tell me, it's a rainbow, guys. I just got my trout slam. Guys, I just got my Virginia trout slam. Yes! Let's go! There we go, guys. I got my slam. Yes!